Hey guys, it's Emily. Today I'm going to be doing a Q&A video. Yeah, fine. Q&A video, and while I'm reviewing the carbonated bubble clay mask by Bio Aqua Skincare. I'm gonna look and see how much I paid for this. But yeah. Okay, hold on. So I was taking forever. I do like the packaging. It didn't come sealed. It does say make skin young and energetic again. I mean, my skin is already young. It's really hot in here. I don't really know if it's energetic, but you know, my little thing keeps like, it's broken. Thanks, fish. Ow. It's taking forever though. Okay, let me see. It's all the way down. I think I paid, okay, I paid $7 for it. $7 for this clay mask. Now, this is the packaging. This is the packaging on the box thing. And, ooh. Don't mind my little creaky stool. Comes with a little, I guess, spatula. But I'm just going to use my hands, so I don't want that. Alright, so we're going to apply the mask to see how that goes. And then alright, so this is what it looks like. Sorry, my mirror's in my hand. Smells kind of perfumey. Y'all like my headband? Cute, right? Y'all, I've been sit on my face and I didn't even know about it. It's starting. You hear any rustling in the background? It's just where I'm at it. Okay. Sorry. About the fire alarm. Okay. It's bubbling. No. Put the lid back on because this is starting to oxidize. Add a whole entire lid. Okay. Back to the Q&A. Let me make sure none of this is messed up. Alright. So, first question that I got is on Instagram. I think I made my shit. Now I can't find my shit. Okay. Got it. Okay. Here we go. First question, how old am I? I am 19 years old. Born December 31st, 1998. Yes, that is my real birthday. Where am I from? I am from Caroline County, Virginia. My favorite makeup artist. This is hard. As of right now, my favorite is, I don't know if you really consider her a makeup artist yet, but she's getting there. Christine from Simply Nailogical. I love her. I guess she's my favorite YouTuber. My actual favorite makeup artist is either Laura Lee or Nikki. Yeah. I wish there was more plus size beauty people out here, but there ain't, so that's why I'm starting this community. My favorite makeup brand. I don't know. I haven't tried that many. So I guess right now, my current favorite makeup brand, I guess, it's probably LA Colors. I really like their makeup. Their foundation's really nice. They said matte or glossy lips. I think matte, because I feel like it stays on a lot longer. And when you like test it, like kiss stuff or drink stuff, it doesn't leave residue on there. Bold or nude? I like bold. Keith doesn't. Keith hates bold. But I really usually do fall more on the nude side, or more of like the pinkish side, because it's more natural. Somebody asked me my favorite cereal. Golden Grams. Did you take some Golden Grams? Actually, you get high, you smoke, eat some Golden Grams or some vanilla bean ice cream. My favorite animal. At the current moment, I mean, I kind of switch up. I love turtles. I love elephants. I love rabbits, which is what I have right now is a rabbit. Pigs, chickens, dog, all of them. I love animals. I love animals. Like, you see Emma in the wild, I see Emma crossing the street, I want it. You know, I'm really one of those people that'll sit there and help. Like, that really loves animals. My favorite song at the moment, I don't know, because I like them. Let me look through my playlist. Are y'all gonna judge me if it's like an old song? Is that considered my favorite song at the moment? My favorite song is Empire State of Mind by Jay-Z and Alicia Keys. I love that song. My favorite artist in general, y'all might judge me for this, but I still love Miley Cyrus. Loved her when she was in Montana. I loved her when she was Miley Cyrus. I loved her through We Can't Stop. I just love Miley Cyrus. My favorite celebrity? Sorry. The Kardashians. Love them. My makeup inspiration. The one that really inspires me really to do makeup is really just myself, because I'm not really good at anything else. I'm okay at makeup. Oh, I'm not even good at makeup, but really myself. And yeah, also myself. Sorry, it's kind of conceited. Stuff falling off. My favorite Disney character. Don't get me started. My favorite Disney character is Mike Wazowski, because he's short like me. He's a smart aleck and has anger issues like me. He, like in the movie, he got on a magazine cover and he was blacked out, but he was still happy. Like, that's me. Like, he was in a commercial, got blacked out, that's me. I don't care as long as I'm on it. I'm like, my elbow could be in it and I'd be happy. My favorite movie at the moment is Moana. Don't judge me because I'm 19 and I watch Moana. I watch Moana every day. Yeah, and I watch Zootopia every day until they took it off Netflix. Okay. Somebody else asked me how old I am. 19. Do you have a boyfriend? If so, please tell us about him. I do. His name is Keith. He is 21. We met in high school when I was in 10th grade. In 10th grade, I decided that I liked him. And we didn't start dating until the first semester of my senior year. He had already graduated. He was a senior my sophomore year. We have been dating since October of 2016. Okay. So, as usual, it cut out after 12 minutes. So, since nobody's in the house, I'm going to be able to talk normal and all this stuff. Yeah, me and Keith have been dating since my senior year. We've moved in together. We've had plenty of pets. We've had 2 cats and a rabbit. Technically 2 rabbits. Yeah, we've had Polly, we've had Benny, we've had Baby. The other rabbit was Poppy. Yeah, so pretty much as I was saying before, I do have a beauty blog, so if you all want to go and check it out, I'll leave that in the description, as well as I do have I'm involved in a couple affiliate programs. I'm gonna hit up BioAqua Skincare, see if maybe they want to try to send me PR box since I'm doing this video. This is not sponsored, by the way, as you probably already know, because I don't have enough subscribers to even get a sponsorship yet. So please subscribe, like this video, dislike it. I don't even care if you dislike the video if you don't like it. Like it if you like it. Comment what you want to see next. Comment if you want to know where I got this from. Let me know what you want to know, like what you want to see next, what you want to see me try that maybe you're scared to try. Anything. I don't care. I will get it. So, yes. I do have a discount code with chicwishlist.com. They have anything you can imagine. Not really anything you can imagine, but they have like high-end necklaces. They have, oh my god, gorgeous necklaces. If you want to be one of those girls that doesn't really have the jewels on your dress for prom, they have necklaces that can, like, one of those. They have chokers, they have sunglasses, handbags, accessories, makeup brushes. They have clothes, everything, and it's all such nice quality stuff. And with my discount code HOPOFF70, you get 70% off. So if you spend 100 bucks, guess what you get? You spend 25, really. So, yeah. Anyways, why spend $20 on a necklace when you can get a $100 necklace for $25? Just still spend the same amount of money. I am also an affiliate with Poppy Apparel. They actually came to me, thankfully. I mean, she wish listed too, but Poppy Apparel came to me. You can get 10% off their website. They have like mommy and me yoga clothes. They have makeup accessories. They have a lot of stuff. They're really nice. They're based out of Baltimore, Maryland. It's a small company. They don't have as much stuff on the plus side, but they do. You just gotta look for it. I personally haven't tried their plus size clothing yet, because I'm kind of iffy about that kind of stuff. Like I said, they have Mommy and Me leggings. They have phone cases. Here's a pair like the Mommy and Me leggings, and here's the phone case. All those can be found on my Instagram with the links and everything. Use code HOPOFF10, you get 10% off at checkout. Also, if you go on my blog, I have a whole page of like affiliates and discounts. So if you're a bigger girl, you want to shop off Torrid, that's great. Click on my link, I get a small commission. Small commission, like really small. Something stuck in my throat. Let's see what else. I actually have one even with Benefit. Oh my god, even though I only have like one of their products, I really want to start getting PR boxes. So that's where you guys kind of come in. If you watch the video, you like the video at all, please subscribe. Because not only am I trying to take makeup very seriously in my videos, I kind of do it comically as well, if that's even the word. So yeah, you click on those, I get small commissions if you buy anything. So help a sister out so I can do awesome giveaways. If I get PRs, look bro, I can use those for my giveaways too. High quality makeup for free. For free. Anyways, like, dislike, just don't dislike unless you really dislike it. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will let you know everything you need to know in the description. So yeah. By the way, I really do like this mask. I feel like with the perfume part, it kind of does feel weird. It does get pretty big as far as clouds. Oh, where did I put my... Why do I lose everything? I don't know where I put it. But anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and go. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Share the video. Tell your friends about it. If you're looking for a fun beauty blogger that's funny, if you're a plus size girl, you want to know how to be confident, I'm the person to talk to. Somebody told me the other day they love my confidence. I don't even know what they're talking about because my confidence is horrible. So, make sure you like and subscribe to... Wait, let's be Laura Lee here for a second. Be sure... Wait. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. That'll be the one only time I do that. But you guys have a fantastic day. Bye. She pooped on my floor.